SQL interview question and answer. Question number 8. What are the differences between delete and truncate in SQL? This question is asking about difference between delete and truncate statement which are used in SQL. Both truncate and delete statement in SQL are used to remove the data from database table, but they have some differences. First of all, let me go through the delete. Delete statement removes one or more rows based on specified condition. That means we can remove one or multiple rows at a time in case of delete statement. But in case of truncate, truncate statement removes all the data at the same time, but it keeps table structure as it is. Number 2, delete is DML command, so it can be rolled back. That means we can get back deleted data up to latest save point. But in case of truncate command, it is DDL command, so it cannot be rolled back. Number 3, delete is slow process because we can delete the data row wise, one by one rows. That's why it is slow process and it uses the large resources. But in case of truncate command, it is fast because it deletes the data at the same time and it uses less resources. Sample code is given here where we can use delete statement to delete certain rows from the given table. Next step, we can check whether it has deleted or not. Then finally, we can check the working function of rollback action in case of delete statement. Let me go through the first code. We start with delete from SIPs, where SIPs is table name, where SIP ID is 2. That means we are going to delete all the rows having SIP ID 2 from SIPs table. When we run this code, then it will delete all the rows having SIP ID 2 from SIPs table. Next step, we can check whether it has deleted or not. We can go through select star from SIPs. Then we can identify whether we have deleted those records or not. Next one is rollback action. Rollback action is used in case of delete command. That means data can be rolled back in case of delete statement. Before delete, we can create a one save point. Suppose save point is 1. Then when we use rollback to save point, then we can go up to that save point. That means all deleted data will get back. But in case of truncate, statement used for the truncate statement is truncate table SIPs. This statement is used. When we run this code, then it deletes all the data from the table. We can check by using same code, select star from SIPs. When we run this code, then we will see there is a table, but table is completely empty. Now action of the rollback. We can apply rollback action in case of truncate command, but it doesn't work. When we run rollback command, it runs correctly without error, but we cannot get back up to certain point, save point. That's why we cannot get the deleted data in case of truncate command. In this way, we can apply delete and truncate statement in case of SQL wherever we need. We can use delete and truncate statement in our Oracle developer window and observe the result. Let me go through the SQL Oracle developer, then observe result after running those codes. This is Oracle developer window. I'm going to use table name SIPs, where in this table we have inserted 2 rows. which is explained in question number 7. That means SIPs table, it has two rows. Before using delete and truncate statement, I am going to create one save point where its name is savePoint_1. Let me run this code first. We have created one save point. Its name is savePoint_1. Let me check how many records it has. Select star from SIPs. It has two records. Let me go through delete statement. By using delete statement, I am going to delete one row which has SIP ID 1001. Let me run this code and observe the result. One row deleted. Let me check whether it has deleted or not. Again, select star from SIPs. Yes, we have only one record. That means one record having SIP ID 1001 has deleted. Next step is a rollback action. By using rollback statement, we can go through up to save point. That means we can get back the deleted data up to save point. Let me use rollback to savePoint_1. That means I'm going to use rollback action to go back to the savePoint_1. Let me run this code and observe the result. It says here rollback complete. Let me check whether it has rollback to savePoint_1 or not. Because in case of savePoint_1, we have two rows. Let me check this table. Select star from SIPs. Yes, it is correct. That means SIPs table, it has two rows. That means deleted data has rolled back. Let me use truncate command here. We can start with truncate table name SIPs. Let me run this code first. Now table SIPs truncated. That means truncated means it has deleted all the records, but table structures remain same. Let me check whether it has records or not. Select star from SIPs. There is no record. That means table is completely empty. But it has table structure. It has column name. Now I am going to use rollback action in case of truncate statement. Let me use a rollback action here. We cannot apply rollback to certain save point because it will throw error. But simply we can run rollback statement. It runs without error, but we cannot get deleted data in case of truncate statement. Let me check here rollback statement. Let me run this code. Rollback complete. Now finally I am going to check whether it has data or not. Select star from SIPs. Still now table is empty. That means in case of delete statement, we can get deleted data. That means data can be rolled back. But in case of truncate command, it deletes data at once at the same time, and we cannot get deleted data by using rollback action. In this way, we can differentiate delete and truncate statement in case of SQL. That's all about question number 8. Thank you.